Adding a Lorex camera to your Lorex app is simple using QR code pairing. First, download the Lorex Home app from the App Store or Google Play and create a free account. Power on your Lorex camera and ensure it's in pairing mode, usually indicated by a blinking LED. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network the camera will use. In the app, tap Add Device and select Scan QR Code. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on the camera or its packaging. The app will automatically detect the camera, prompt you for your Wi-Fi password, and pair the device. After pairing, test the live view to confirm everything is working correctly. This streamlined process, enhanced with dynamic QR codes, typically takes under 5 minutes, much faster than older methods. Once your camera is added, explore advanced features like motion alerts and cloud storage, which is subscription-based. You can also integrate with smart home hubs like Google Home or IFTTT. For troubleshooting, check app permissions, update the camera's firmware, or reset the camera if the QR code isn't recognized. Visit Lorex's support portal for video tutorials. Security is paramount. The setup uses WPA3 encryption for Wi-Fi and two-factor authentication for your account. Never share your camera's QR code to prevent unauthorized access. For optimal performance, ensure your router is compatible with Wi-Fi 6/7. Remember, keeping your firmware updated is crucial for addressing any potential security vulnerabilities.